This technique is called a scap push-up. So the goal is we're learning to move our scapula independently in space. There's two different ways we can do this. Beginner version is going to be, I want to start in a hands and knees position. I'm going to place my hands on the end of my roller, or on my roller this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch my shoulder blades back in together and then push down into the roller. So pinch, push, pinch, push. Once I get good at that, I can go to a full push-up position and do the same thing. Really focusing on keeping the shoulder blades back and down and keeping my elbows locked the entire time. Now what I'm not doing is moving my chin, okay? I'm making sure that I'm moving from the scapula. So we're gonna do 10 of these. So get set at a level that you're comfortable with, and we're gonna go ahead and pinch, push, pinch, push, that's 2, pinch, push, 3, pinch, push, 4, pinch, push, 5, pinch, push, 6, pinch, push, 7, pinch, push, 8, pinch, push, 9, pinch, push, 10. You're going to be doing this exercise anywhere from 2 to 5 sets for 8 to 15 repetitions. You can follow with the video or do it alone. And remember, if you say you go up to the full push-up version and you get fatigued by the second set, you can modify and go down to the hands and knees version. Both work. If the roller's not comfortable, you can do it with your hands flat on the floor. I just find that for some people, that side position is really handy. For other people, they prefer to be flat on the floor. If you need to be on fists, be on fists. Whatever works for your grip. The key is that the elbow has to stay straight and the shoulder blades should stay down, they're not up.